up in the public eye. It's scary. I mean, I used to get scared giving an oral book report in school. So, I mean, it's daunting, but I look forward to it. You know what I mean? Because I have nothing to hide. I'm the only one that has been telling the truth. And, you know, you can't shame me any even more. So I feel like if they don't, it paints the picture that they know something about me that makes me, you know, untrustworthy or not reliable.
So you want to have your
I do. I think having them call me in and put me on the stand legitimizes my story and who I am. And if they don't, it almost feels like they're hiding me, and people will automatically assume I would, that, oh, that she must not be a good witness. She's not credible. Like,
so there's no doubt if they ask you to testify, you will testify.
Oh, absolutely.